Ever feel like you finally found the holy grail of personal finance with YNAB? You know, that magical system that promises to turn your chaotic spending into a well-oiled money machine? Yeah, me too, at first. But, let's be real, is anything truly perfect? Today, we're diving deep into the often overlooked side of YNAB, the disadvantages. Because, let's face it, no budget tool is a one-size-fits-all solution. Now, don't get me wrong, YNAB, or You Need a Budget, has transformed the financial lives of countless people, myself included. Its philosophy of giving every dollar a job is powerful. But, like any tool, it comes with its own set of quirks and potential drawbacks. So, if you're considering jumping on the YNAB bandwagon, or if you're a seasoned user looking to validate some of your own frustrations, you're in the right place. Let's start with the most obvious one, the learning curve. YNAB isn't exactly intuitive for everyone. It requires a fundamental shift in how you think about budgeting. The age your money concept, the rule 4 of embracing your true expenses, it can be a bit overwhelming, especially if you're used to simpler budgeting apps. There's a lot of terminology, and you really need to dedicate time to understand the system. And speaking of time, YNAB requires consistent effort. It's not a set-it-and-forget-it kind of tool. You need to actively reconcile your accounts, categorize transactions, and adjust your budget regularly. If you fall behind, it can quickly become a mess, and you might find yourself feeling more stressed than before. This constant upkeep can feel like a chore for some. Another potential downside is the cost. YNAB operates on a subscription model, which can be a barrier for some, especially those on a tight budget. While the features are robust, there are free budgeting apps out there that might seem more appealing initially. You really have to weigh the cost against the benefits and decide if it's worth it for your financial situation. Then there's the reliance on manual entry. While YNAB does offer direct import from some banks, it's not always reliable, and sometimes you'll have to manually enter transactions. This can be time-consuming and prone to errors. Plus, if you're someone who prefers a more automated approach, this might be a major frustration. Finally, YNAB's focus on budgeting can sometimes feel restrictive. While it excels at helping you manage your spending, it doesn't offer a lot in terms of investment tracking or long-term financial planning. You might need to use other tools to get a complete picture of your finances. So, there you have it, the less glamorous side of YNAB. It's not a perfect solution, and it's definitely not for everyone. But, if you're willing to put in the time and effort, and if you resonate with its budgeting philosophy, it can be a powerful tool for achieving your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.